Well, good morning. Welcome back to the original Dr. Bieber Ranch. Beautiful morning. Interesting changes on the water. This is where we got water right now. And now I'll go up on the top here. Record this. Yeah, we're still way below the bolts, and it looks like it's probably about 2 inches down from what it normally is. Here's the pictures. I called the irrigation district yesterday, talked to a very nice lady who's new there, and then Bobby Baker, being my ditch rider now, I thought he might have come out here and improved this situation. Anyway, it's just as bad as it was yesterday. I don't have enough water to get my property covered. They took away from 55.5 hours down to 36 hours, and they have also diminished my water flow. They took away some of my water rights. I don't think that's right. So thank you, Internet. Thank you, YouTube. And this is also on DVD, hard copy, backup and mirrored. So this ain't going away. This just ain't going away until I do. And I can't go up there because of he threatened my life if I walked up on his property. And then the irrigation district says I have to walk up there to make sure all the gates are open and closed. There's something wrong with this picture. Alright, pardon for the shaky camera. Beautiful day. And yeah, the water situation hasn't changed since yesterday. Has not changed since I made the phone call to them yesterday. Nothing happened. Alright, so either they just are, they might even have a sense of humor about this. Maybe they're thinking that, doing what they're doing to a handicapped guy like me is funny. I wouldn't put it past any of the people I've met around here that I've been talking about lately. Alright, well, that's the end of it. We're closing up the gate like we're supposed to at the time that we're at. 36 hours. Used to have 55.5 hours, but now I only got 36. And, oh yeah, did I mention that they're still charging me for 55.5 hours? Totally ignore me. They can't ignore the videos. This is evidence. Alright, well, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Sorry about the wiggling. And we'll just cut her off right now. Don't forget to stay tuned to the original Dr. Bieber.